Hey, and welcome to the AI Briefing Daily, your podcast for the most important AI news from the past 24 hours. Today is May 27th, 2025, and here are our top stories. Word Copilot, 3D printing origin, China AI strategy, LeCun's critique. Word Copilot. Microsoft's Copilot, a tool powered by artificial intelligence, is revolutionizing the way you work with Word by assisting in writing, rewriting, and even chatting about your documents, simplifying the creation of high-quality text. Released on March 16, 2023, Microsoft introduced this AI-driven feature for Microsoft 365. Copilot seamlessly integrates with Word, Excel, PowerPoint, Outlook, Teams, and more, offering real-time suggestions for writing, grammar, and formatting. Whether crafting a business report or brainstorming, Copilot helps generate content, suggest changes, and enhance text. By understanding text context, it recommends rewrites for clarity, proposes synonyms, and summarizes lengthy paragraphs, making work faster and more efficient. 3D printing origin. A research team from the University of Illinois Urbana-Champaign has developed a method to trace the origin of 3D printed components. Subtle differences in surface textures allow insights into the printers and processes used. According to Professor Bill King, each 3D printed part exhibits unique characteristics, akin to fingerprints, invisible to the naked eye. Surprisingly, the AI can accurately identify which machine crafted a piece, even with identical settings and materials. This technology presents new opportunities in supply chain management and quality assurance in additive manufacturing. The AI analyzed over 9,000 photographed parts from 21 machines, achieving 98% accuracy with just a square millimeter of an image. This method also has potential in tracking illegally manufactured products, promising greater transparency and control for companies. The team's findings are published in Advanced Manufacturing. China AI strategy. Under the leadership of Xi Jinping, China is pursuing a state-driven, long-term strategy to achieve independence in AI development. In contrast, the United States is focusing on billion-dollar investments, fostering international partnerships, and making strategic deals, such as those with the Emirates. This rivalry between the two major powers has significant geopolitical implications and could potentially fracture the global technology landscape. Whether Beijing's systematic approach will prove more successful than Washington's capital-driven offensive remains to be seen. LeCun's critique. Yann LeCun, chief AI scientist at Meta, critiques current AI models like GPT-4 for being incomplete. He identifies 4 key properties necessary for true intelligence. Meta's new initiative, vGPA, aims to develop a model that uses abstract world models rather than just text processing. By predicting at the representation level, vGPA aspires to filter out unnecessary details, fostering genuine understanding. LeCun calls for a paradigm shift in AI research, encouraging a move away from patchwork solutions towards creating authentic world models that reflect a deeper understanding of intelligence. That was the AI news of the day. With this, you're perfectly informed for today. Would you like to create an automated podcast on your own topic? Get in touch with us, and we'll make it happen. Thank you for tuning in. See you tomorrow for the next AI briefing.